Hey, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 tips for growing your TikTok channel. First up, TikTok does not care who you are at all. It doesn't matter if you have 20 million followers or 0 followers. TikTok's algorithm is only focused on one thing, and that is you and your content, and showing it to as many people as possible. This is the reason you might see some creators with 10,000 followers and 0 views, and others with 0 followers and 10 million views. The key to success: focus on creating high quality content. That's it. It's pretty simple. So tip number 2, TikTok isn't a niche specific platform. You don't need to have a niche on TikTok, unlike on YouTube. YouTube likes you to have a niche because they choose who to show your videos to based on your audience, your subscribers. They show your video to them, and if they respond well, then they show it to more people. Well, the problem with that is that it kind of pigeonholes you into a niche. You have to pick a niche because somebody who watches your video because it's about cars is not going to watch your next video when it's about snails. TikTok doesn't have that problem. TikTok does not care. They show your video to as many people as possible based on what those people are watching, not based on who has been watching your other videos. And therefore you get more views. You don't have to stick with a niche. One video can be about snails and one video can be about cars. They're both going to do well as long as they're good videos and as long as there's an audience for it on the platform. Once again, to help you determine which videos are doing well and which topics you should keep creating videos for, check your watch time. Watch time is a common statistic analytic in a lot of platforms. YouTube has it. TikTok also has it. Check it because it tells you how much people are watching your video, how long people are staying around for your video. If they're watching to the end, it's a really good video. If they're not sticking around more than 2 or 3 seconds, then you've lost them right there, and the rest of the video could be amazing. Nobody else is going to see it because people are clicking away, they're swiping away way too fast, and the algorithm says, okay, we're wasting our time with this video, let's find something else to put in front of these people. So check your watch time, make sure that your videos are actually doing well. Number 3, you should be professional. Try to be a little bit professional. You don't have to be super professional. Obviously, there are a lot of content creators out there who are not very professional people, but they have professional branding. So make sure you have a good profile picture and a good username, something that's memorable. Those are the key things. You can try a tool called PFP Maker for your profile picture. It'll generate a profile picture for you. The point is, being professional helps you stand out from the average users, you know, the non-creators, the people that are there to consume content and share stuff just with their friends and family. They're not looking to get a million views. You have to stand out. You have to make yourself a brand. So be professional. Number 4, TikTok is a social platform. People forget that. It is a social media platform. So make friends with people. Collaborate with other TikTokers. Just make connections. Use it as a networking site. Engage with other creators' content. Leave them likes, comment, follow. You know, they don't even have to be in the same category as you, niche as you, because like I said before, TikTok doesn't care what your niche is. So just focus on following and interacting with people who are being successful, doing the things that you want to do, and network with them so that you guys can grow together. You never know who might want to collaborate with you one day. Finally, number 5, use AI. AI is a thing now, whether you like it or not, and it's here and you should use it. It helps. It takes a lot of the strain and load off. So just go ahead and do it. Bith.ai is a fantastic tool for creating videos using AI. A few simple clicks and about 60 seconds of your time, create a video. They're fantastic videos. Here, watch this one.
Have you ever pondered the impact of robots on global education? Let's delve into this transformation. Spike Prime is reshaping student learning by embedding robotics into educational programs. This cutting-edge tool boosts problem-solving abilities and creativity. Students participate in hands-on projects.
You saw the video? They're great. I mean, these videos are fantastic. Amazing, right? They're all like this. Every now and then there's one that needs a little tweaking, but there are features for that. You can make changes. You can upload your own images into there, you know, take one image out and put a new one in. Lots of stuff that you can do. You can change the font on your text, all sorts of things. If you want to learn how to do it, go ahead and watch this video. I already made a video how to do it on your phone. You can use your phone. It takes the same amount of time. It's super simple. Go give it a try. And then once you've tried it, let me know in the comments on this video what you think of it. I mean, using AI, you can automate TikTok so that it requires almost no time and energy or effort on your part. I don't know why you wouldn't do it. You can also use it with YouTube Shorts. Don't forget, this video is about TikTok, but it also works for YouTube Shorts. The rules are a little different. Pick a niche, stick with it. But other than that, you know, start leveraging AI. There you have it. Those are my top 5 tips to grow on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, it helps a lot. We want to get this message out there. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, I think. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I don't ever know what I'm doing with my hands.